Hi viewers, now you are watching 6th class mathematics from Chanakya school. The first unit in the 6th class mathematics is knowing our numbers. What is our numbers? Is there any numbers like that? Don't think anything. Just it's a formation of numbers in the Indian formation because we are Indians. How we used to write our numbers, how we are placing the comma, that is nothing but knowing all those things is nothing but knowing our numbers. Generally, while you are learning in your childhood, how many numbers you learn? You used to write from 1 to 100, then 101 to 200, like that up to 1000 you might be writing in your book. After that, did you practice 1001, 1000, 2003? No, you didn't. But still, you are able to understand all those numbers. For example, I am going to buy a TV for my home, and the cost of the TV is 55,000, and a washing machine which cost 48,000, and an AC which cost 72,000. Okay. Now I want to buy a refrigerator which costs 30,000. So while watching these large numbers, first by seeing itself, are you able to understand this is 55,000? You can understand, but it will take some little bit of time. To avoid even that time also, our Indian system has started placing the commas. 55,000. It's easy to read now, right? 48, 72, 30. How do we understand these commas? To understand that, first you must be able to learn the place value of a number. The place value of a number. The place value, it starts from ones place. Ones after tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, like that. Right? So I am going to write that place values. O stands for ones, tens, 100, 1000. T for 10, TH for 1000. TTH, 10,000. T for 10 I said no, so 10,000. Lakh, 10 lakh. Crore, 10 crore. So these are the different place values we have in India, and based on these we used to place the commas. The first comma comes after the 100, the second one comes after the 10,000, then 10 lakhs, and at last 10 crores. Now I am going to write a large number. See, by seeing this number, are we able to say which number is this? Generally, to pronounce this number, what we used to say, we used to calculate how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these many digits are there. Then we will start thinking which number is this. To avoid all those confusions, I said no, first comma is after 100, tens, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. After 10,000, one more comma. After 10 lakhs, one more comma. Now it's easy for us to read. 97 crores, 68 lakhs, 45,326. It's easy, right? Now we understand now how to pronounce and how to write the numbers in the Indian system. Now you learn this. This is nothing but knowing our numbers. The numbers which we write, how to we pronounce, how to we write, how to place commas, what is the place value of that number is nothing but knowing our numbers in the Indian system. Let us go to the exercise, first exercise, and we will solve the problems. In each and every part, I will explain one or two problems. Remaining problems you have to do in the Maths HW. And one more thing, while writing the CW, you have to maintain the page like this. For example, this is your class notebook. Okay, take a small margin on the left hand side and a thicker one on the right hand side. Write the question and solution here. Your calculation part you have to be placed here. Understand? just writing the numbers. Okay, first one, don't place the numbers here itself. First copy the numbers. So when we get the first one after the ones period, ones, tens, hundreds, right? Then after thousands, thousand, 10,000. So the number is 2,15,780. Next, when it comes to the second problem, this is E. I am explaining A and E. Remaining you have to do in the maths HW, not in the CW. Okay. Again, copy the number first. The first period is after hundreds, no, ones, tens, hundreds. The second period is after thousands, 1,000, 10,000. Next, the next period is, the next comma is after the lakhs period, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs. So the number is 30 crores 56 lakh 71. If we have zeros here, we don't need to pronounce this. Just call 30 crores 56 lakh 71. Okay. Copy the second one. Write the following numbers in figures. So they have given in the form of words. We have to make the number with them. Write the entire question, Nana. 17 lakh 30,896. 17 lakh 30,896. This is very simple. Do the remaining all problems by your own. Look at the third one. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. How we used to write the expanded form? To write that expanded form, we have to use the place value of each and every number. See, what is the place value of 7? This is a lakhs. So, what we have to write? 7 lakhs plus, next, what is the place value of 5? Place value means where that number is placed in that entire number. Okay, so the 5 is placed at the 50,000 plus the place value 6 is 1,000. So write 6,000. Then 900, 20, and one's place is just 5. In the same way, write the last one F. So, this is also same. The first one is at 10 crores place, right? 30 crores. 30, 1, 2. That's it, no? 30 crores plus 6 crores. No. 10,000 lakhs. Yeah. Just remove the 2 zeros. Just 6 crores. Okay. Then 80 lakhs. 80 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. Next, 70,000 plus 1,000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 2. See, if you found any zero here in between the numbers, we don't need to mention that number. Okay. Must keep the video in the pause mode, then copy the solutions. Don't listen to the video continuously. Next, fourth one. Write the numerals for the following. Here they have given the expanded form. We have to write a numeral for that. Okay. Look at the A. Copy the complete question. So first one is 5 crores, 70 lakhs, 76 lakhs, 10,000, 7,593. 5 crore, 70 lakh, 76 lakh, 17,593. Look at the problem number E. Here, first they mentioned 2 crore. 2 crore, no? Next they mentioned 30,000 and 45. In this situation, see what you have to do. See, after 2 crore, there is directly 30,000. The lakhs place is missing. What you have to do? You have to place zeros. Okay, don't forget mention zeros. If you forget mention zeros, if you write blindly like this, the value become 2,345. You should not write like this. Wherever the places are missed, you have to place 0 in that. 2 crore, 30,000. There is no 30,000 means 10,000 places there, 1,000 places not there. Next, 100 place is also not there. So place 1 0. 45. So this is the actual number. If you skip the zeros, the value will be 2,345. Okay. Ma, here while writing these numbers, if you get any confusion writing that whether your answer is correct or not, you can use one technique. Yeah. Write the numbers. Next, 30,000, no? 45. Okay. 5, 4, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 2. Now you got the correct number, no? If you are not able to write directly, you can use a small techniques like this. Okay, just add the each and every column in that number. Understand? Now let us go to the fifth problem. The fifth problem is placing the numbers in the ascending order. I don't think so I have to explain this. You know the ascending order, right? Small number to large number. And sixth one is descending order. Large number to small number. Right? Do all these problems in the maths vegetable. Ascending and descending. Don't expect me to explain it. Everyone knows ascending order and descending order. Next. Seventh one. Write the place value and face value of the underlying digits in the following number. Okay. I'll just explain only one. So they have given the underline for the number 6. So what is the face value? Face means what we are seeing. What we are seeing here, which number is underlined here? 6. Just write that 6. Next, when it comes to the place value, see where this value is placed. At the place of ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. The number is placed at thousands. So it will be 6,000. So the place value is 6,000. Simple only, no? So do the remaining all problems. Next, 8th one. Find the difference between the place value of 2 5s in the number. In this problem, they have mentioned 75,66,539. This is the number, and they have mentioned 2 lines at the 5s. Means they are considering 5s. What they are asking, we have to find the difference between the difference means subtraction. Difference between place values of 5s. What is the first 5 place value? What is it? 1s, 10s, 100. 500. Next, second to 5 place value. Where is it was located? At the position of 5 lakhs. Now what they are asking us to find? Difference between the place values of 5. Difference means subtraction. Now difference equals to 5 lakhs minus 500. Right? Zero, 0. 10 minus 5, 5. 9, 9, 4. So, it's 4,99,500. 4,99,500. Simple only. Next, ninth problem. Write the number names of the smallest and greatest 8-digit numbers having the 8 different digits. Okay, what they are asking is, we have to take a number which contains 8 digits. And these numbers should not be repeated. Should not be repeated means we can take any number from 1 to 9. No, we already have 0 is also there. We have 10 digits. Okay, out of 10 digits, we have to take only 8 digits. And in that 8 digits, which number we have to write? Smallest number. Smallest 8-digit number means, if the number starts with 0, there will be no value. So start with 1. 1 will be the smallest one. No. If you take 1 here and bigger number here, this will become the large number. Okay, so take 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What it will be now? 1 crore 23 lakh 45,678. That name we have to write. Just because they asked, write the number name. So smallest number. Smallest, not number, 8-digit number. 8-digit number is equals to 1 crore that number only, no? They have given, yeah, 1 crore 23 lakh 45 678. So you have to write the number name because they have mentioned. Next, what will be the largest number? Again take 8 digits. 8 digits. Number should not be repeated. Large number means out of 10 digits, 0 to 9, which is a large number, take that number. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. This will become the large number. If you take 1 here, that number will be smaller than this. No. So, maximum, whichever number is the large number, you have to use from ascending to descending. Then only you will get the large number. Okay. Now, what is the number name of this number? 9. Let me write. Largest 8-digit number is 9 crore write the number name? Okay. Let us look at the. Oh, this is the ninth problem, no? Yeah. Okay. Let us look at the last question in this exercise. What quotient will you get when the place value of 6 is divided by its face value in the number? Okay. So they have mentioned one number. 46 lakh 35,009. What they are asking, what is the quotient? Means we have to do division. By using which number? By using the face value of 6. Face value is 6. What will be the place value? This is in the place of 6 lakhs. Now place value is 6 lakh, face value is 6. So when we do the division, what is the quotient they are asking? So do the division. 6 ones 6. So for all these zeros, we have to take 1 0 and even we place 0 0 0. You don't need to do all these things, no? Now you came to the high school. Just do the division directly. Take 6 lakhs and do the cancellation with 6 table. 6 ones 0 0 0 0 0. So which number will you get? 1 lakh. That is the answer. Okay. Just if you don't understand any problem, try to play back the video. You can understand easily. Simple topic, knowing our numbers. That's all about the first exercise. In the next session, I will explain about the new exercise. Thank you.